chili con carne, and I didn't. So I thought, I better make one, and that's what we're doing today. I really hope you enjoy this recipe. Give me a like down below if you do. And if you're new here, my name's Susannah. Welcome to my channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button below for me. We make everything in our Ninja Foodies on this channel, and this recipe is no exception. I'm really excited about this one. I can't believe I haven't done one already. Here is my chili con carne recipe. Start off making the chili con carne. I'm gonna pop the Ninja onto sear and saute. Get a little bit of spray oil in the pot, and I'm gonna add in my vegetables to start with. So we've got a red pepper, but you can use a green pepper. I've got onion and I've got celery. You want 2 sticks of celery chopped up and about 1 onion. You need to cook this for around 5 minutes until your onion and your celery look a little bit translucent and they are starting to cook. Now you can add in your minced beef, and we just want to cook this until it's nicely browned off on the edges. As you can see, my beef is more or less done. We've got a couple of little pink bits, but that is absolutely fine. Now we're ready to get some flavour in here. So the first thing I'm going to add is some chili powder, and you want 2 tablespoons. Be quite generous with some salt, around 1.5 teaspoons, about half a teaspoon of oregano, and 3 tablespoons of tomato puree. Now we want to stir this in and mix this tomato puree fully with the beef. Oh, this is starting to smell really nice now. That tomato puree is really going to add a good richness. So you want to make sure you definitely get those 3 tablespoons in there. That looks absolutely gorgeous. If you're using fresh garlic, then crush in a clove. I'm actually going to be using some garlic granules instead. We've got loads of heat in here, so I'm actually going to turn off the sear and saute at this stage. Now for some more spices. We've got ground cumin, 2 teaspoons, and we're going to be using some ground coriander as well, and the same amount. This is really going to give some warming depth of flavour to this dish. Let's give that a stir in there as well. So as you can see, you can still hear the sound of it kind of cooking, but the sear and saute is actually off. That is looking really, really nice. So what I'm doing now is I have strained my tin of tomatoes, and I'm putting the tomatoes in. Then with the juice that came out of the can, I have just topped that up to 250 millilitres. So you got tomato juice, and then just top it up with water or stock. Didn't really need that much more, to be honest, but just get it to that 250 millilitres so that we've got the right amount of liquid going in here. Last couple of things left to go in the pot are my red kidney beans. So this is 1 tin. I've drained them and I've rinsed them. And I'm going to put a bay leaf in for flavour as well. So let's stir that all together. Look how gorgeous this is looking. Right, now we just need to get the lid down. Make sure that your pressure valve is pushed towards the back on seal, and we can go across there to the pressure cook mode. We want to keep this on high pressure, and time-wise we are looking at 20 minutes. And I've been a little bit undecided whether to go for a quick release or a natural release on this. Obviously we've got meat in here, but we don't want the kidney beans to completely go like mush and the peppers to be mush. So I think I'm going to go with a quick release, because I think 20 minutes is going to make this absolutely beautiful. Remember, we've still got that build up of pressure time as well. So that's my decision. I'm going to go quick release. Let's go. So here we go. This is what it will look like when it is ready. Look at this. Absolutely delicious. That smells so, so good. Of course, if you do find that it's a little bit too liquid, You can always put it onto sear and saute if you want to, but if you leave that lid closed, it probably will thicken up a little tiny bit anyway. But I'm ready now to serve this on a bed of rice, and we've got some spring onions and some cheese, some sour cream. Yum. Here is my chili con carne, and I've served that on a bed of rice, and we've got grated cheese that is melting under there. There's some spring onions, sour cream, and a little bit of coriander too. Let me know what you think in the comments, and definitely let me know if you give it a try.